Hello Annie. Little video for you today. 5 dogs. I've got Tally, Annie, Lexi, Rosie and Dixie. Quite a nice day. Still filthy muddy. But there you go. You just got to crack on, haven't you? Come on this way. This way, this way. Come Rosie. Let's have a wee. Quite a lot of action going on in the woods. Tidying up after the winter. Or tidying up for the spring. Right, Dixie. Yeah. Excuse me. Good girls. All girls today. As unusual. No trouble then. What's a lovely bird song? Excuse me. Bit of a hill. There's Annie. An adventure of her own. Oh! Gonna play with Tally? Right. You know which way we're going, don't you? Hang on. There she is. There she is. Good girl, Tally. Right, let's just get them together a minute. Here. Here. Excuse me. Ladies. Annie. Annie. Lexi. Oh, play with her, Annie. You're desperate to play with somebody. You won't play with her, you silly dog, aren't you? Good girls. Right, okay. You play with Tally. She wants to play with Rosie, but Rosie doesn't want to play with her. Funny little things. Fairly calm estuary today. No one around. It's half term. What's going on? What's going on, Annie? Lovely woodland. Good girl, Tally. Oh, I'm frog in my throat today. Go this way. Tally. Good girl. This way, Tally. Good girl. Brilliant. Brilliant. Got her. She's listening. That's great. Oh, dear, oh dear. Oh, that's a chilly wind. Where did that come from? Oh. Go, Rosie. Fluffy bum. Good girl, Annie. Not much sign of bluebell yet, is there? Maybe they're in the other woods. It's quite brackeny over here, so maybe they're not so... Oh, maybe not. Well, might see the sun today, but can't guarantee that. Getting there though. Definitely more flowers appearing and birdsong. Odd day of sunshine. Lovely dogs, well behaved girls. No naughty boys today, are there? Are there, Annie? No naughty boys. Right, let's get the others. Come on, ladies. Good girls. Right, so bye for now. Have a good week. Pray for sunshine. Take care out there. Bye.